Last tutorial on changing the voices from Avic's voice to the Kit voice. This section is called making the zip. First thing we do is take a copy of the main project folder and copy it to the desktop. Make sure you copy it, because if you don't, it's just a hassle. And anyway, paste it to the desktop. We can close this. Make a new file inside the project, the main project, called audio in lowercase. It's stupid, but you gotta do it in lowercase. Anyway, so okay. From there, we drag all the OGGs in there. Okay. All right. Keep in mind, if you don't have the audio files in here, if you don't have them all, your Avic's gonna crash when you go into Navi. So if you're gonna do this for testing and you just want to hear Kit, drag all of the original audio files. So drag everything from audio. Okay. So from the original Avic files from audio, drag it all in here first. Okay, so basically what we got to do is I would copy this to the desktop. Okay, I would drag all the audio files, or copy them. I think copying's better. Copy them all to the new audio file, which we just made. Take all of the new Kit files and drag them over. Okay. You need to do that for it to work properly. Okay. Then what we do is close out of the Avic audio files and close out of this file. So inside of main project, right now what we have is a folder called audio, which is here. Inside there we have the OGG files, which is drag all the OGGs in here. To be more, I guess, I don't know, detailed, is what I mean by that is drag everything. So drag everything from audio to main project, and then from main project drag them into audio. Yeah, it's confusing, but whatever. Okay, so we exit everything. Okay, next, move the files from this folder into here. Okay, so on this file that I said in tutorial 1, we open it up now, and in here we see all these files. So what we do is, the only file we don't drag over is this one, because we already have it. So in here right now we have all of the Avic audio files. We don't need that anymore because now we have Kit. We take this, drag it over. It'll extract, and yeah. So now we have an exact replica of this file. Voice English US M1. I don't know what that means, but whatever. Cool. So now we exit this and we exit this. We don't need it anymore. Back to the tutorial. Rename main project to US English 1, whatever. So I copied that with Control C. Click this and Control V, paste it. So now we have the exact things inside here as we do in here. Cool. And I'm sure everyone's done this because there's like 1,000 zips on Avic 411, but whatever. We open up WinRAR, we go to the desktop, we locate this file on the desktop, so which is here. We go add to zip, make sure it says zip, otherwise it won't work, and click OK, and that's it. It's done. So now, cancel. Now what you do with this folder is, if you had an SD card, which I don't on my computer right now, what you would do is copy this to your SD card, to the root of your SD card, and in there you should also have everything you need to boot into test mode. In test mode, what you would do, I'm going to pretend right now that this is test mode, okay? So this is what you're going to see in test mode. You click my flash disk, or whatever it is called, and you see this. You have APL, APL2, and all the rest of the stuff. We click APL2, and then you click iGo, okay? Then you click content, and then you click voices. In here, what do you know? You have this. If I'm in test mode right now, what I do is I take this and I put in underscore back, like backup, or you can just forget it because you already have a copy on your computer that I gave you. So you can take that and delete it. Now in test mode, off your SD card, you take this file, or whatever it is we just made, copy it, paste it. Okay. It's a little confusing, but you'll get it. So again, just to be clear, when you take this file and you copy it to your SD card, put it in the root of your SD card, load into test mode. In test mode, go to flash disk, APL2, iGo, content, voices. Take the file off your SD card, copy it, and paste it. In test mode, you don't have copy, paste, Control Z. You do have a keyboard though, but anyway, so you would just do file, copy, and then file, paste in here, and say yes, and that's it. So right now, with the way it's done, all you gotta do is go and drive around, and you'll hear Kit telling you in 100 yards, turn left, in 100 yards, turn right, whatever. The one problem that I haven't figured out yet is this, which is where I was asking for soundboards on the website. In the original AVIC files, we have right here we have 1 first, 2 second. In the kit OGGs, we have things like second left, second right. That's not a big deal because you can cut out left and cut out right or whatever you want, and you have second. But the kit OGGs don't bring 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would have to, or we would have to, find somewhere in a movie or an episode I should say, where Kit says 1, 2, or 3, and copy it or whatever. If somebody has a voice out there somewhere that sounds like Kit, go for it, record yourself and upload it. I don't care. But yeah, that's the problem that I haven't quite figured out. But right now you can get it to work about 70% besides the numbers and some stuff. But yeah, that's the tutorial. If any questions, I've posted around my screen name on AIM. Feel free to IM me. If I don't IM right away, I'm at work or something, I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Hope you have fun and enjoy.